Hey everybody, this is Caesar with Small Engine Velocity with another moto vlog. Yes, I am not on the Ruckus. The Ruckus is still at the shop, and every time I get a chance to go to the shop, it is raining. So I don't have a ride up there right now, and Lee didn't reply saying that he was still there, so I have no idea if he's still there. But it's like super windy right now, and it could rain at any moment, so I decided to go ahead and record a moto vlog because I'm going to need one later on down the week. So today, very early in the morning, we went and did a little bit of work on the GTI 2010 Mark 6. I've been throwing a P0299 error code, which is under boost, which is basically 90% of the time they say, 90% of the time, 100% of the time, it's the wastegate on the turbo. So I spent a bajillion dollars on a stock turbo, and everyone's like, why didn't you upgrade? It's like, well, I'm not exactly looking for upgrades. I'm just looking for reliability because it's not my focus. My focus is not making my car go faster, although I could see how easily it would be to get into that rut again and get in trouble. That's the reason why my license was suspended 4 trillion times, is because of speeding. Yeah. And nitrous. And street racing. But yeah, see? Uh-oh, looks like this guy, front of his car got tore off. That sucks. Where's the other car? Who knows? They took off. Looks like that guy knew that guy and almost caused an accident, stopping really fast. Anyways, so we put the car on the lift. Here is a picture. I hired a friend of mine, Mark, who used to work at the Volkswagen dealership. He referred a master tech to come out and work on my GTI. He's also the guy who rebuilt the head on my car that I currently have also. And he's also the reason why I bought my wife a 2010 turbo 2-liter Tiguan with a TSI motor, because it's the exact same motor that I have, because I have someone that I know and I can trust and who's not going to rip me off whenever I get my car fixed. And even if he is charging me only I don't know, I guess it's, I mean, he's charging me a good deal as far as I'm concerned. You know, at least I know the guy's honest, because we went over it at the very end. Well, I'll save that for later. So we put it on the lift, and here's the picture of the turbo, and you can see the wastegate. I don't know if you can't see how loose it is, but if you look at the wastegate, it's in the closed position right now, and you can see a gap underneath it, so it's terrible. It was very loose. Like, I was surprised how loose it was. I thought, you know, it would be kind of loose, but no, it's super loose. And then from there, he went ahead and started replacing the turbo. We were at the shop, so my brother showed up with his ER6N exhaust, and we welded a flange on so we could put slip-ons on. And here's a little bit of footage of him grinding it down. Now, we are not professional welders. By far, we are not. So we have to grind our welds. And plus, it's like stainless and then metal or iron, or I don't know, steel. Stainless steel and steel. So, you know, I'm not sure how well that'll weld together, but as far as I can tell, it looked pretty good. So what am I doing right now? I am just on a joyride, basically, because right now I have nothing to do. My family went down south, and this is also kind of a mic test to see if it crackles. I'm trying to avoid the crackly sound also. But yeah, so I got the GTI fixed. So now I have my reliable car back again. I didn't get a chance to like actually push it and test the boost and all that, but I'm not really here to do that. I'm gonna wait till it's all broken in. He told me give it like 100 miles before I get on it real hard, so I said okay, works for me. Come on, we're getting on the freeway. Coincidentally, this is the same place I did the first Ruckus freeway ride, right here. Well, I'm gonna go to the other side of 249 and check to see if those people are there so I can pick up the license plate for my wife's car. But yeah, so if you look carefully at the exhaust is the same exhaust that Roy sent me. I was gonna put that on a scooter, but my brother needed an exhaust for his bike, so we're gonna put it on the big bike. And it sounds pretty cool. It's really loud, but it's good loud. I like loud. Loud makes things loud. Hopefully I'm not making a lot of road noise. But yeah, I can't even hear myself talk right now. And then my speedometer on my phone isn't on, so I really don't know. I think I'm going 70. But yeah, just another motovlog. The Miata. We finished putting the clutch in the Miata. See, it's all about cars. Finished putting the clutch in the Miata. And then we, what else? Oh, I got the shift, not the shift boot, but the shift that goes over the seal, the one that tore a long time ago and kept on letting hot air into the car. And then a bunch of bushings and stuff like that. I went to buy the stock part, just the boot thing, and it was $130, but I found it on eBay, OEM parts, for $79 with an entire rebuild kit. So yeah, I mean, if you think about it, your shifter on your car is probably one of the things that get abused the most. Alright, I'm fighting the wind pretty hard right now. So, I'm really impatient to get the Ruckus back. So tomorrow, or next week, tomorrow's Easter, next week I'm going to make best effort to get a ride over there so that I can ride the Ruckus home and have it back in my garage again so I can do moto vlogs on it, because I know you guys are getting sick of me seeing me small engine velocity on a 650. Although I do enjoy it. It's a different kind of enjoyment. Well, what else we got going on? Oh, I'm working on an exhaust for the Zuma. I'm working on a video for the KPR 200, and I don't know. I can't think of anything else. I do need to call my wife. Oh yeah, my wife did. My family went down south to go check on my mother-in-law's property and stuff like that. So, just to make sure that everything's okay. It is in a bad part of town, so just want to make sure it's good. A little bit of speed there. Hopefully I got the GPS working on the camera this time, because it seems like last time I got the GPS on the camera, last time the GPS didn't work because I turned on the camera and immediately recorded before the GPS was ready. So this time I powered on the camera make sure GPS sunk before I actually turned on the power. But my wife's place that I bought the car has the license plate. It should be nearby, so I'm gonna go check there real quick and see if they have it. If they're even there, who knows? You know, I don't know if car dealership business is an essential business, but anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and sign off. I really appreciate everybody hanging out with me at this ride, and everyone hanging out with me on my brother feeding his dogs ride. That was a pretty good one. But yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see everybody in the next video.